Welcome all. Welcome to today's session. We are on session number 15 today. So let's start with ADX. So let's go to the trading view share straight away. Okay, so here we are. We have a chart in front of us, and what we will do is we will put ADX on this chart. Now, before we talk about ADX, I would just like to give a comparison because a lot of people are beginners here. So normally what we expect is that any indicator, like what we have studied simple moving average, we have studied RSI, we have studied MACD till now, three indicators. So if I put RSI, for example, and if I deploy RSI here, then what happens is, like we have seen, if it is going below 30 RSI, it is oversold. So it is giving clear indication that if the RSI is going down, it is also reflecting that the price is also going down. If RSI is going up on the chart, we can see the price is also going up. So the indicator and price almost match with each other. So RSI going down, so RSI went down from here to here 30, price also went down. So they almost like reflect each other's what we say happening, price going down, indicator going down. Similarly, if you see MACD, we have seen again the histogram crossover. So if the price is coming down, you'll find a red histogram. If the price is going up, you'll find a green histogram. So again, to our brain, like to visually for us, correlation with the indicator with the price action becomes easier. Okay, so point here I'm trying to make is for our mind to correlate between indicator and price becomes easier, because if the price is going down, indicator is also going down. So हमको easy रहता है मैच करने के लिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती है. Even for, let's say, for simple moving average, if what we have seen is SMA, if we say 50-day moving average, I'll change it to 50-day moving average. See, the price is going up, SMA is also going up. तो हमको थोड़ा सा एक कन्वीनियंस रहता है देखने में कि प्राइस ऊपर जा रहा है, इंडिकेटर भी ऊपर जा रहा है. So summary, if the indicator is matching the price action, we are comfortable observing it. Why I took almost 4 minutes to explain this is, now you have to pay attention towards the ADX. Okay, ADX is little different. ADX is, let me bring ADX here. ADX. So this is average directional index. I'll just make it ready so that it is clearly visible. Let me make it black and let me make it dark black. Okay. Now this is a ADX. This defines, this ADX is again a 50 years old indicator, not a new indicator. It's a 50-year-old indicator, still very relevant. ADX defines the strength of a movement of price in any direction. It will not reflect the direction, it will only reflect the strength. For example, now you have to pay attention here. See, the price is going up, the ADX indicator is going up. So the way it is going is, it will normally start from below 15, like what they say in book. If it starts from below 15, it will go till 45. It shows a good upward, good trend. Now here it is an upward trend. ADX is going up. Can I have yes from all of you if you are able to see this? ADX is going up and price is going up. So ADX is not reflecting the price direction. It is only reflecting the strength of the upward movement. Okay. Why I am saying so is, if we go back, let's say, let me go to 2020. So it will make our case very clear. If we see here, see, the price is going down, but again the indicator is going up. Before, just 1 minute before, I showed you one example when the price, same stock, Balrampur Chini, when the price was going up, ADX indicator was also going up. Now here the price is going down, still the ADX indicator is going up. So indicator is this ADX, average directional index, is not an indicator of which direction the price is going. It shows the strength, कितनी ताकत है इस मूवमेंट में, वो शो करता है. So if it is price is having taking one direction, it will move from below 15 to upward. As the strength of fall or rise or fall reduces, the ADX will go up and it will also start falling. Once the ADX starts falling, that means the direction which the price has taken, the strength of that direction is weakening. वो कमजोर हो रहा है. स्टॉक गिर रहा था, अब गिरना धीरे धीरे slow हो जाएगा. Now it will slow down to fall. See here also, the price is going up, ADX is going up. Then ADX starts falling from here. Even it went up for a few days, but the ADX started falling here. If you see, if I cut here, see, this is very distinctive here. The price went up, ADX went up, but from this point onwards itself, ADX started falling down. The price, though the price was going up, the ADX started to flatten out. So ADX already says कि अब जितना strength से वो जा रहा था, the price is not going with the same strength upwards. There is a possibility of it coming down. So ADX, in summary, reflects the strength of the movement of the price and it does not reflect the direction of the price. Clear है? कोई doubt है? I'll allow you to unmute and then you can ask a question, because we need to understand ADX very clearly, how to use it and what is the purpose. Clear? Everyone clear? सबको clear है? ADX जो है स्ट्रेंथ बताता है, डायरेक्शन की स्ट्रेंथ बताता है, ताकत कितनी है वो बताता है, क्या डायरेक्शन है वो नहीं बताएगा. Now ADX, the second challenge what we have is, now if I bring the SMA indicator, like SMA, simple moving average. Okay, now let's say I learned to use simple moving average. I'll make it 50. I'll make it little dark. Okay, black and dark. Okay, now now see what happens is, we learned the SMA in the first session when we started learning the indicator. We learned that simple moving average, in a simple way we can use this. When it closes above the simple moving average, we can buy and we can hold on to the position as long as it is above the simple moving average. Fantastic, बहुत बढ़िया लगता है. But where we will lose money in simple moving average is when it moves sideways. That means it goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up. If we are following SMA, then we might buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. So we will be incurring losses by following SMA when the price is moving sideways. So simple moving average, if we are using, then we will lose money when it is going sideways. Here also, when it is trending, it is okay. When it is sideways, we might lose money. We will lose money, not might, we will lose money. Second is RSI. RSI, the challenge with RSI, when the price is moving sideways is, the RSI will also move in a band. It will be in a band. So see here, the price is moving sideways, up and down, up and down. RSI is also moving up and down, up and down. तो उसका कुछ, अब मैं क्या करूं, 30 के नीचे जाए तो मैं ट्रेड भी लूं, अगर ऊपर नीचे जा रहा है तो मैं क्या ट्रेड लूं? That again becomes a challenge looking at RSI. So these are some limitations of this indicators. So what should I do when it is going sideways? What happens is there should be an indicator which should tell me in advance कि भाई ये अभी थोड़ा sideways जाएगा, अभी इसको हाथ मत लगाओ. Correct? How many of you agree that sideways जाएगा? RSI will also not be able to tell me. Moving average will not be able to tell me. Then I should have some indicator which will tell me कि boss ये अभी sideways जाने वाला है. Stay away from the market. How many of you agree that we need such an indicator that it should be able to tell us in advance? Yes. So that indicator space is occupied by ADX. Normally what happens is, if the ADX goes below 25, so see here, ADX, I'll expand the ADX here. ADX will move, like here we have 7, it can go till 4, 5 also. It will vary from 4, 5 to 60. Theoretically, it goes till 60 also. I have not seen till 60. Very rarely it will go to 60. 45, 50 it will go. So it will vary from 8 to 10 to 45. ठीक है. So this line will move between 8 to 10 to 45. इस केस में जैसे यहाँ पे है हमारा है 12. Now it has gone to 43, 43, 50. That's it. Now, what we have to do is, once it falls below 20, if it falls below 20, then the price will start moving sideways. It indicates that the price is going to move sideways. When the ADX falls below 20, the price is going to move sideways. Let me make see here. See, whenever the price goes below 20 and stays below 20, the price is moving sideways. Here also, if you see, when the price went below 20, here the price went down. It went down. So from here, it went down below 20. So ADX tells कि भाई इसका strength जो है नीचे गिरने का कम हो चुका है, खत्म हो चुका है. अब ये sideways जाने की possibility है. Let's say, let's call BDL, which has been going fantastic. Now here, see, if the price is going up here, after a while it starts going down. It went down and around 20, 25, it went on falling. So here itself, the ADX is saying, see, if you see ADX, it has come near 20, right? So from this point, it has come 20. Now the ADX tells us that I have gone below 20. The price is going to move sideways. अभी ट्रेड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Don't do trading. Otherwise, ऊपर नीचे, this is called whipsaw, right? Whipsaw में आपका पैसा चला जाएगा. थोड़ा सा बाहर रहो, पेशेंस से वेट करो, थोड़ा एक आध ट्रेंड जब बनेगा तब ट्रेड करो. Fine. So as soon as it goes below 20, the ADX is telling us stay put, don't trade right now, trade when it starts going up. Fine, everyone okay? Everyone clear what ADX is trying to tell us? Yes, no? Yes, no? Okay, so now ठीक है, तो हम ट्रेड कैसे करेंगे इसको? तो कुछ तो तरीका होना चाहिए. Sideways indicator, so it tells us that it is going to likely to go sideways, so stay put. So how do we trade this? How do we yes, sideways indicator. Nupendra is saying correctly, yes. Now how to trade? So what we have to do is we have to wait for this ADX to go below 25. Okay, step number 1, you can note down. Wait for the indicator to go below 25. So let's say it has here, this indicator ADX has gone down, down. So this is the point where it has gone. Just hold on. So on 2nd of Jan, ADX here has gone down below 25. It has come 23.84. Fine. Now let me draw a line at 25 here. Okay. So now what we have to do is we have to start counting from there. Normally, if it goes below 25, 20 or 20, it will stay there for around a month or more than 1 month. So how long do we wait? How long is a very good ideal time for us to wait for it to be staying below 25? So we start counting from here. We count for 52 bars. Okay. So we'll count from here till 52. So these are 52 bars we have, and we will draw a line here. Okay, I'll cut the remaining portion above this. So again, I'll repeat, the ADX went below 25, indicating me that, okay, I'm going to go sideways. Abhi thoda sa trading mat karo, stay away. Wait out patiently. When I will tell you when to put the money. So we said, okay, ठीक है. कब तक wait करना है? So from the point it went down till below 25, we started 52, and if it remains below 25 for 52 days, we have a good trading opportunity. Okay, what is the trading opportunity? What we will do is we will join the high here. The highest point we'll see in last 52 days. थोड़ा एक दिन से रह गया, वो ले सकते हैं अपन, यहाँ से ले सकते हैं या आप यहाँ से भी ले सकते हो. Let's take this to be on the safer side. This is the highest point in this band, and this is the lowest point in this band. Okay, so what I have done is, since ADX was below 25 for 52 days, I took that band. One line I have drawn the highest, one line I have drawn the lowest, and then I will take the कितना है दोनों का मिला के, it's around 76 points. So what I will do is I will keep that 76 points here. Okay, on the top of it, and I will draw a line here at 76 points. Okay. Now, what do we do? Now we wait patiently. हम patiently wait करेंगे किस बात का? For the price to close above this. See, our target is not to trade. Our target is to earn money. If I want to earn money, I have to wait patiently. So what I will do is I'll wait patiently for it to close above this line. Once it closes above it line, I'll buy. Where will I exit? I will exit when it comes till here. So I'll just action replay बंद कर देता हूं मैं अभी. So we were here, it went sideways, it closed here, correct? Everyone agrees that it closed here. See, it went sideways for few more days, it closed here. तो ये लाइन के ऊपर क्लोज हो गया है यहाँ पे जो हम बात कर रहे थे. अगर मैं रिप्ले में दिखाना चाहूं तो ये है, करेक्ट? करेक्ट? हेलो, ये क्लोज हुआ ना भाई इसके ऊपर? क्लोज हो गया तो इंडिकेशन मिल गया कि खरीद लो. खरीद लिया तो ये कहां तक जाना चाहिए? यहाँ पे. यहाँ खरीदेंगे, यहाँ बेचेंगे. फिर हम देखते हैं कि यहां से यहां तक गया है क्या. ओके, सो इट वेंट एंड टच्ड हियर, टारगेट मीट हो गया. What is our stop loss? Stop loss is this line. There are various methods just to simplify things. We have done. Natarajan, the 76 is the width. Like for this 52 days, whatever the highest point, lowest point, whatever was the width, this is the width between this two highest point and lowest point. We measure that and keep above the top of the line. It breaks out, closes above, we write the bill. Okay. Yes, Nupendra, it is correct. It is triangle. Like we say na, राह पकड़ तो एक चला चल पा जाएगा मधुशाला. So all indicators, everything leads to same thing. There is nothing very unique about any indicator. We have to understand the price action and indicators indicate same thing in a different ways. You are absolutely right. है ना, हरिवंश राय बच्चन की ही हैज अ पोएम, राइट? कि राह पकड़ तू एक चला चल पा जाएगा मधुशाला. सेम वे, एक इंडिकेटर पकड़ के चला चल, यू विल बी एबल टू अर्न. ओके, सो एवरीवन ओके? Okay, everyone understood? Clear what how to use ADX to write the wave? Yes. Okay, so let's see some more examples, few more examples here, and I'll show you why we should not hurry. So let me take one more example here. We have Chola Holdings here. Again, if you see, ये कहाँ पे नीचे गया है? 35, 30, this has gone down. Okay, so somewhere here it has started going down below the 25. So ADX went below 25. If I draw a horizontal line here and say okay 25, okay, so again it went up in between. So did it cross 52 days? From here it should remain below 25 for more than 52 days, then it is more powerful. No, here it went about 25. If you see it went about 25, तो हम ये नहीं लेंगे, हम इसको छोड़ देते हैं. We need at least 52 days. It should be below the 25. So here again it went down below 25, somewhere here, 24, 24, 24, 25. Okay, here, okay, somewhere here. So here it went below 25. Then we have for 52 days, it should remain below 25. 52 bars. Here we measure 52 bars. Okay. It remained below 25. ADX remained. So it said consolidation हो गया, बहुत बढ़िया है. So what we do is we take the highest point here in the 52 days, उस पे एक लाइन मारेंगे. We take the lowest point in 52 days, उस पे एक लाइन मारेंगे. We'll measure the gap between the two. So we will take the gap from lowest point to highest point. Okay. Lowest point से लेके highest point तक का कितना movement है इसका? 208 points. We will keep it on the top of this line. Whenever it closes above this line, we will buy and we will ride our wave till 208. So here it closed above the line, it went till here. यहाँ पे हम प्रॉफिट बुक करके उस दिन जितना पैसा कमाया उसमें से थोड़ा सा पार्टी करेंगे, थोड़ा सा हम अगले इसके लिए we will put our money back to our trading. Fine, everyone clear? So far so good. So learn something interesting, learn something new, how to trade the sideways market, how to wait out patiently, how to trade at. Okay. Now, third example, what I want to share is, now again, if you see a sideways market, don't jump in, कह रहे sideways हो गया है, ऊपर जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है. See again, now let's take the okay, you want me to repeat on stop loss? Stop loss, okay. Okay, I did not stress on the stop loss. Okay, I'll stress on the stop loss. See, we took from where we took from here, right? So this was our high point here, and this was our low point. We will enter here. This is our entry. This was our target, 208 points, and stop loss is the line below. So if it comes up, goes down, goes below this line, exit. As long as it is going up and it is dancing here and then going up, you can stay put. If it is coming and closing below this, you exit, because trading, because this is short-term trading, we are doing a very short-term trading. We are not a long-term investor. So we have to book losses, take back our money, invest somewhere else and earn it back. So here we earn, here it goes 208, we can earn and come out. Okay, so Nupendra, you can use Ichimoku also. You know how to use Ichimoku, right? So you can use Ichimoku. Kijun-san can be the trailing stop loss in that. Okay, now we have Titan. Now, why, if ADX goes below 25, does not give a guarantee that it is going to go up? Here is the example. See, ADX will only tell it's a sideways movement. It's a double-edged sword. It can go up, it can go down. If you see here, ADX went down. Okay, so here we are. And from here, 52 days. So I'll roughly, it remained below 25 for 52 days. If you see, it went down, correct? And here, if you see, measure 52 days, here it is. So it is. Okay. 52 days. We have this as a short. See here, now if you see, this is the 52 days. So ADX only said it is going in consolidation. It will not say whether upar jayega, niche jayega. So you have to wait out patiently for it either to close above this. If it is closing below this, let it go, don't trade. Because if it is closing below it, then it is likely to fall by the same distance between these two lines. See, if I measure it here to here, and if I put it here, it went down, it broke down, and it went till this location. So consolidation is a double-edged sword. Just because it is consolidating, ADX 25 ke niche hai for 52 days, don't jump and buy the stock. You have to wait patiently for it to break out up or down. If it is breaking down, stay away. It will go down and it will go exactly this much down. So you have to wait patiently for earning this stock. So yes, you can use this sell strategy in this, no problem with that. So everyone clear where we should be, like we should hurry or not to hurry? We have to wait out patiently, when to enter, when to exit, when to book profit loss. So this emphasis also, one more example. See here, it went sideways below 25, it broke down. Now again, very interesting aspect of it. See, it went down roughly. So let me take, let's take roughly, it is, okay, now we have this Maharashtra seamless. It is falling as of now. So let's see how far it will fall. It is likely to fall. It is likely to fall by 320 points. If we go here, has it gone down by 320 points? Let's see. If we keep it here, it has still not gone down by 320 points. So this will be interesting for everyone to observe. Maharashtra seamless, you can observe whether it will fall till 452 or not. How we are sure, how we can say it has a higher probability to fall till 452? Because it will match with the earlier support and resistance, where it faced the resistance, it took support. So now it is going down. Again, our initial classes, this is the support level, it is going to fall. So you going forward, you can see whether this theory works for the selling side or not. You can see whether it is reaching there or not. Fine, everyone good? Everyone okay? Any questions? We'll pause for questions. You would like to unmute and you can ask questions. We are open for questions.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Rupinder speaking, sir.
Yes, sir.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत दिन के बाद मिल रहे हैं. Actually, I tried to join the classes in between, but 100 hit हो जाता था. So
अभी फिर 60 तक जा रहा है, अभी 60 तक जा रहा है, आप आ सकते हो अभी फिर से.
yeah, so आज luckily just I tried and I come in.
ओके,
Yeah, nice, nice. Sir, actually एक question ये है कि sell side में
हाँ
how much should be the ADX? Is there anything like for buying side we are saying 25? So sell side में भी कुछ
नहीं, ये ADX तो 25 के नीचे ही है, मतलब लाइक वंस इट इज बिलो 25 देन इट इज सेइंग कि स्ट्रेंथ खत्म हो गया है, उसका जो मूवमेंट है उसका स्ट्रेंथ खत्म हो गया. सो इट इज एनीवे साइडवेज. So if you want to go more on safer side, go below 20. If it stays below 20 for 52 days, then it is there. But in my experience, 25 is good enough for us to take a trade on sell side or buy side, either side.
so आपने जो line like we put some level, right, जिसके नीचे में we can sell. So lowest point
नहीं नहीं, अपना ये है ना, सी वंस इट क्रॉसेस बिलो 25 के नीचे गया ADX, सी हियर 25 के नीचे गया. यहाँ 1 मिनट में मूव कर रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे इस डेट को जो है 11 जैन को 25 के नीचे वैल्यू चला गया ADX का. ठीक है. नाउ फॉर 52 डेज द ADX शुड रिमेन बिलो 52. तो मैं 52 कर लिया, यहाँ पे 52 बार्स हो गया, यहाँ पे ये 52 डेज है, करेक्ट. ये मार्क कर लेता हूं मैं. फिर यहाँ पे 25 मार्क कर लिया मैंने, जैसे ये है, इसको कर लेते हैं 25. तो अब मुझे ये देखना है कि क्या यहां से लेके यहां तक ADX 25 के नीचे ही था क्या, तो था, करेक्ट, बराबर है. अब ये मुझे 52 डेज का एक बैंड मिल गया है जो साइडवेज का. अब इस बैंड को लेके मैं लोएस्ट पॉइंट पे एक लाइन मार देता हूं, हाईएस्ट पॉइंट पे यहाँ पे एक लाइन मार देता हूं, तो मुझे ये विड्थ मिल गई 52 डेज के साइडवेज मूवमेंट की. ये मुझे विड्थ मिल गई यहां से यहां तक. ठीक है, ठीक है.
yes, sir. So we are taking the lowest point within 52 days.
52 डेज का लोएस्ट पॉइंट और 52 डेज का हाईएस्ट पॉइंट लेके बैठे हैं अपन. अब इसमें हम वेट करेंगे, अगर ये इसके ऊपर क्लोज हो जाता है तो ये विड्थ का ही उतना ऊपर चला जाएगा, इसके नीचे क्लोज हो जाता है तो विड्थ का ही उतना नीचे चला जाएगा. सो वी आर वेटिंग हियर. फिर फाइनली क्या हुआ कि आगे जाके, सो अब हमको कुछ नहीं करना, हमको इसमें सिर्फ वेट करना है कि कब ये इस बैंड के बाहर, नीचे या ऊपर क्लोज होगा. अगर ये ये नीचे क्लोज हुआ, ठीक है ना, ये नीचे क्लोज हुआ यहाँ पे, इसका मतलब ये शॉर्ट जाएगा, कहाँ तक जाएगा, जितना इसका विड्थ है उतना नीचे जाएगा। सो वी गो फॉर शॉर्ट टिल दैट विड्थ। अगर मान लीजिए बलराम चीनी में ये था, जैसे हमने पहला लिया था, ये हमारा विड्थ था यहाँ पे, रफली ले लेता हूं मैं, तो हमारा ये विड्थ था यहाँ पे, और ये हमारा डाउन था, हम लोएस्ट पॉइंट हाईएस्ट पॉइंट ले लिया उस विड्थ में जहां पे वो 25 के नीचे था। जब अगर ऊपर क्लोज हुआ तो ऊपर विड्थ पे जाएगा। यहाँ पे कौन सा हम ले रहे थे, ये वाला ना, महाराष्ट्र सीमलेस का, सिंस,
पैटर्न
हाँ
पैटर्न में सेलिंग।
हाँ, तो अगर नीचे जाएगा तो नीचे ले लेंगे, तो आइदर। क्लियर ना, यही क्वेश्चन था आपका?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अच्छा ठीक।
Within 52 days, we are marking high and low, and
हाँ,
we
within
take some
52 days we are marking high and low, and once it breaks that band, then we can take either way, trade that. No, you can do it in futures, Anurag, but I would request don't do in futures. So Anurag's question is, can we sell in swing also? Yes, you can sell in futures also, but I would request don't sell right now. First, in cash market, first you do 50 profitable trades. Anybody who is a beginner, don't go into future and options till you have earned profitably by buying a share and selling a share. Once you do 50 profitable trade, then only you think कि यार मैं future options कर सकता हूँ क्या। जब तक आप 50 प्रॉफिटेबल ट्रेड्स कैश मार्केट में, बाइंग ऑफ ए शेयर, होल्डिंग इट फॉर फ्यू डेज एंड अर्निंग मनी इन दैट, यू मिनिमम 50 ट्रेड्स जब तक आप नहीं कर लेते हो, तब तक फ्यूचर एंड ऑप्शंस की तरफ देखो भी मत, सोचो भी मत। कोई बात करे तो उसको निकाल दो अपने घर से, ठीक है। फर्स्ट अर्न 50 ट्रेड्स, फॉर 50 ट्रेड्स देन यू थिंक कि हाँ, नाउ आई माइट स्टार्ट लर्निंग अबाउट फ्यूचर एंड ऑप्शंस, ठीक है।
Thank you, sir. Thank you for
ओके,
that very golden nugget.
ओके,
Very nice.
Sir, I have one question.
या,
That ADX, once it crosses 25
हाँ,
line, so
below,
that time, yes, in
हाँ,
case on top also, if it gives faster this, that if it achieves a target, I think that Balram Pur
हाँ,
Chini,
हाँ, हाँ,
this ADX was a little slow, sir. It crossed
here it was
Balram
below
Pur.
25, so we took that
Huh.
this thing, and then it closed above the band, so we took that trade and then it went up.
Okay, still it went up. Okay. There was a
हाँ,
little consolidation, again it went up.
हाँ, little consolidation and then it went up, so that may occur, but typically since it consolidated for almost 3 to 4 months, once it breaks out above, it is likely to go pretty much.
It's likely to go up itself.
Yeah, yes,
Okay,
yes.
fine, sir. So then how is this in compared to MACD, sir? MACD.
See, MACD, all indicators have their own pros and cons. ठीक है?
Correct. Yes.
If you see indicator MACD, if I put MACD and compare here, see, we learned MACD last time, correct?
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
in MACD, our probability of success was when it is going below, and it is pretty
Correct.
much below, correct? The
Yes,
crossover,
yes.
and then we take the divergence here. See,
Divergence, sir.
divergence, and there is a crossover.
Correct. Yes, sir.
So it may, so this again, the divergence, this divergence is there. Price has gone up.
Huh.
This is there. We could have taken the divergence. It went till the previous top. So MACD also worked. See, our target was, what was our target here in MACD? When the crossover happens, we see the divergence. This is a divergence crossover.
Yes.
The first target one is the previous high, whichever it reached. So it reached their small profit. So MACD will work. But what happens is, now here the crossover has happened above the zero line. Now when the crossover happens above the zero line, as per MACD, the probability of success is not there. So we may not take that trade.
Correct, in MACD.
So MACD we may not take the trade. For ADX we can refer कि यार इसमें consolidation में क्या chances. So ADX might say, ठीक है, काफी consolidation हो गया, you can take a chance. Now, having said both, my suggestion would be कि don't depend either on MACD or ADX. gradually try to understand the price action itself. So there we have
Correct.
to come to a stage where I don't need MACD, I don't need ADX. I should be able to see a sideways movement चालू हो गया है. How to trade this sideways movement.
Correct, sir.
So that is our final जो aim होता है ना जिंदगी का उस type से. With this, that is our final aim of life. But see, every indicator will have its own pros and cons. So we have to understand, like you are rightly asked, what is the limitation of MACD? This is the limitation. If the crossover is near zero, the probability of success reduces. We might be in doubt. So ADX might come in our help that time.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, then, any other question? I think more or less clear here. So thank you so much for joining. Next webinar, most likely we'll have on Friday. So if it is on Wednesday, I'll update in the group. Otherwise, it will be on Friday. So thank you so much. See you all on Friday. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.